If you have decluttered, donated and reorganized and your home still feels cramped and chaotic, this is for you. I live, work and raise 2 kids here in this 600 square feet apartment, so trust me, I know what it is like when your space has to do everything and still it never feels like it is enough. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 hidden storage zones you've probably never thought of, plus my 2 favorite secret spots that make our small home actually work. Let's start low, and I mean that literally. What if I told you that one of your best storage spots is right under your furniture? I mean, look at these examples. Most of us forget about these zones, but under your couch or your bed or your kid's high chair, that space can do some serious heavy lifting. And as you see here in this example, we put storage boxes under the couch where we store cables or some sports goods and our games. And we have actually really big boxes under our bed where we are able to store our bed linen, travel stuff and even our clothes. And my husband's entire filming equipment is also under the bed. So under our bed feels actually like an entire extra room that we have. But also I want to show you this special arrangement. As we also work from home and we don't have an office, we work from our dining table. So we mounted ultra thin drawers under it so we can actually tuck away laptops or chargers or office supplies when we're not working. And in that way we reclaim the table for family time without the visual clutter. Another special arrangement that I'm really proud of is this one here. We lifted our bookshelf while we're using bricks just enough to slide toys underneath. And look at this, even our high chair has room for a drawer beneath it. So perfect for bibs or baby plates or things like that. So as you can see, I tried to optimize every room that we have beneath our furniture in our apartment. And so a fun tip for you is lie down on the floor in each room and scan the space from that perspective. So maybe you see totally unused spots that never cross your mind when you're standing up. This is especially helpful in rooms that you use all day, like a living or a dining room or a combination or even your hallway. And also remember, kids won't open drawers, but they will throw things into a bin under the couch. So use that. All right, now that you've made use of that space under your furniture, let's look up. And there's a whole storage zone over your head you maybe have never even noticed. Let's talk about what's above you. And I don't mean the attic, I mean the space between your cabinets and the ceiling, like this one here. You can also use the space above the kitchen cabinets to store things. Those are perfect places for rarely used appliances, like for example a fondue set or holiday dishes. We've stored seasonal cookware up there and also extra party decor, for example. And I used matching baskets, so also it looks kind of visually neat. Just make sure that you only store things what you don't need every week, so you're not constantly climbing chairs up to grab the thing. Also, we mounted this construction on top of our closet. And there's a place for our memory boxes or our tool set. These are things that we don't need every day, but still I want to have them handy in our apartment. And especially if your home has high walls like ours has, there's a lot of space above that you can actually use. And while we don't have this solution ourselves at home, I love the idea of having a second ceiling. You can hang your ceiling lower and create some storage space above that to store things out of sight, especially in hallways. This is a great solution where you don't need the benefit of the high ceilings. And an extra tip is don't store anything heavy up there. Lightweight items like spare paper towels or decoration or unused bags are ideal because remember, you always have to do the lifting up and down. And also, label the boxes or baskets that you can't see through. Trust me, your future you will thank you when you're looking for that extra charger cable or a summer picnic set. You don't need to grab all the boxes. So we've gone under and we've gone above. Now let's look at one more spot hiding in plain sight, what's behind each furniture you already have. Let's talk about storing things behind. Look, for example, behind your couch or your bed or even a tall mirror. That slim space is really gold for hidden storage. And as you see here, for example, we slide our drying rack behind the mirror or our son's mattress behind the changing table, and also we store tall bags or artwork behind the closet. Also, there is sometimes space on the side, like here where we store our stepladder. You can even keep things like a yoga mat or tripods or portable heaters tucked in those narrow gaps. Just make sure it's safe and it's stable. This is one of those areas people forget exist, but it's a perfect spot for anything that's lightweight and awkwardly shaped. So you just got your clutter out of the floor without giving up a single visible inch of space. And just when you think that's everything, I've saved the best for last, my 2 favorite secret storage spots that we use every single day. Here are my 2 MVPs of storage. They're small, stylish, and they're surprisingly roomy. The first thing is this little storage box that lives behind our door. It's so thin, it barely takes up any space, but inside we store everything from diaper bags to winter gear or the carrier for our kids. Plus, the top can also hold even more, like keys or even things like decor. It's especially great for those items you always need as you head out the door. You can even put shoes in there, or keys, or sunscreen, gloves, you name it. And the second one is our ottoman. It's cozy for your feet, but inside we store the toys our son uses every day. He can pull them out and you can clean them up in seconds. That's perfect for fast resets at the end of the day. My just all-for-one tip for you is think of every piece of furniture as multifunctional. Think of benches, puffs, or even inside tables with lids. You get form and function, and it's just the best storage saver in your entire home. You'll be amazed at how much easier evenings feel when everything has a home and that home doesn't clutter your space. So now you added real function to your space without anyone noticing. So here's the truth. Your home is probably holding more storage potential than you even realize. When you start seeing under, above, and behind, as well as inside some of your furniture, you will find usable space, not just a dead zone. And you start living with more calm and more clarity and way less chaos. You're not just organizing, you're unlocking hidden square footage in the space you already have. And if this helped you look at your space differently, I think you'll love the rest of these videos in this playlist. You can find it right here on my channel. Just click the link below and I'm gonna see you there.